Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you, it's a new thing that is not relevant to the curriculum and the courses which I taught in which I'm teaching in the civil engineering department of the university level. But right now today it is a different topic. Actually, I was scrolling down on the Facebook and I was really amazed and I was worried after reading different posts regarding the regarding questions or related to the admission in the NED University. So it clicks on my mind that I have to make the video regarding the admission process in the NED University. So guys, what I am going to tell you in this video today, let me check it out whether my screen is shared with you or not. So it is sharing with you and I am going to search it out. What I am going to search it out www.neduet.edu.pk. So I am going to open and it's now open the website of NED University, and the best part of the website of NED University, you will find each and everything on the university page. So there is no need to go anywhere else to find it out and to sort it out what are the questions going on or moving in your mind. So how can you find it out regarding the admission process and the number of seats particular to the department and which field is best suited for you? But I must say over here, it completely depends upon you and your percentage. It's actually you are not the one who chooses NED University. Basically, NED University chooses you. So the main stuff or main thing is that here, what is that you have to search it out which department have seats, and you have to you have to clear the test. Obviously you must have good percentage in intermediate as well, and after you are cleared the test of the NED University, then when you were having the interview, so you must have to decide at the time of which field you are going to choose it. But it depends on the number of the seats which are remained at the time of your interview. So how can you search it out? Actually, I got worried a lot that students were asking here and there, but I must tell you over here is what this NED University's website is everything to guide you. Each and every information is on this page, or you can say on this web page. So how can you do that? So let's have a look. First, you have to go on www.neduet.edu.pk. So what you have to do, you can see over here, this is about admissions, academics, taste. It's a third. Actually, there is another campus of NED University. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. If you will not get the admission in the NED University, which is located in Karachi, so you have the choice, and NED University is calling you itself if you are eligible, but you did not get the admission. So what will happen? They will call you for the third admission. So you also have the choice to go to the third, but it is very difficult for the residents of Karachi that they will go to the third campus. But I want to tell you here is what is you, how can you search it out, the number of the seats. It is given in the prospectus, but each and everything is written here on the on this page. So let's have a look. If this is a website, or you can say the NED University page, and I am going to over here. This is undergraduate admission, postgraduate admission, PhD admission, PGD admissions, admissions at TIEST, TIEST. It means it's NED University third campus. Admissions for foreign students. Then you have continuous professional development, key admission dates, each and everything is available over here. So you can't say that you are not getting it, you are having problem in searching out. The problem is that you are lacking the proper guideline. So there must be some experienced professional over here, or YouTubers over there, that they have to guide you. So I am the one here to guide you. How can you search it out regarding the admission? So let's have a look. Then there are academics, faculties and departments. You can go to the faculties and departments and check it out which department is good according to according to their labs and according to their final year projects. So how can you search it out? First of all, I am going to the admissions, undergraduate admissions, and you can also see over here admissions 2021, and it is obviously over here. You can also search it out, you can get it, and he is the vice chancellor of the NED University, Dr. Sarosh Hashmat. So I am going to the undergraduate admission, and let me check it out whether it is visible to all of you or not. And I have to check it out regarding the recording as well. And now you can see there are so many notices over here. Notice for undergraduate pre-admission entry test, bachelor's degree admission 2021 advertisement. So let me click on it and you can see this is the admission and how many departments are here. Bachelor's of engineering, automotive, biomedical, chemical, computer systems, civil specialization with construction, civil specialized with urban. But this is the degree of the civil engineering, but you have the major with urban and major with construction, electrical, electronic, food, industrial, IM, materials, mechanical, metallurgical, software, petroleum, polymer and petrochemical, telecommunication, textile. Then you have bachelor's of science. Keep it in mind, there is a huge difference between BE and BS degree. BE is bachelor's in engineering and BS is bachelor's of science. Applied physics, computational finance, you are getting the degree of BS by doing these degrees. For example, computational finance, computer science, that is computer science degree is basically the BCIT degree. Development studies, economics and finance, English linguistics, industrial chemistry, management sciences, textile sciences. And then you have the degree of Bachelor of Architecture, BArch. This is again not the Bachelor's of Engineering. The degree which is Bachelor of Engineering, that is named as BE and in NED University. And it should be recognized by the Pakistan Engineering Council, PEC. So you have to decide between that which degree do you want to take it. For example, you want to take it Bachelor's of Engineering, you want to do engineering, or you want to do Bachelor's of Science. Then Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science at Thar Institute of Engineering Sciences and Technology is Mithi Thar Parka. So this is another campus of NED University. Then there are the eligibility for the admissions. They are saying that for engineering, architecture, and computer science programs, at least 60% marks in Inter. They are saying that, but mostly, obviously, you know that on the self-finance, they will go for the 70s, but not less than that. Or maybe students are getting admissions in Bachelor's of Science, but normally Bachelor's of Engineering seats are full. So, and here it is written that 140 self-finance based seats are reserved in some engineering disciplines on all Pakistan basis. For detailed, visit our website. So what do I want to tell you is that one more thing. If you are taking admission on the regular, so what you have to do, you also have to submit the self-finance fees as well. If you withdraw, for example, if you will get the seat on the regular basis, or if you will get a regular seat, so what you have to do, you just withdraw with the self-finance seat. So what will happen? They will the amount which you have submitted in the NED University, they will refund you. So what you have to do, so keep it in mind, you must, if you want to do engineering, so what you have to do, you must have to select Bachelor's of Engineering. Don't go for the BS. If you want to do BS, so you can go for that. I'm not going to tell you that you don't do BS. I'm just telling you what is the difference between the Bachelor's of Engineering and what is the difference between the Bachelor's of Engineering and Bachelor's of Science. So don't make it confused. Please make your mind clear about it. So I am moving towards the next point. And what is this? This is notice for undergraduate pre-admission entry test. And they are having the test on the September 6th. If you are not going to take the admission in NED University, but I must tell the students that you must have to take the test. Whether you will get the admission or not, it dependent on that. But you must have to take tests. And the next thing is apply online for undergraduate admission. So you can log in from here. You can make your ID and password and image code, and you can do it yourself. So video guidelines for the computer-based entry test. If the test, so everything is over here, and the video is provided to you. How can you do this? How can you perform this test? Each and everything is given to you. Preparation before the pre-admission entry test. Please bring out print out of your admit card. Each and everything is given over here in the form of video. This is the very good thing, and I really like it. Each and everything they have provided on their university website. And then what we have, prospectus for undergraduate admissions 2021. This is very important, and you must have be able to read this one. How can you read it? So you must know it. How many seats for the Aga Khan board? How many seats for the Sindh board? And students of Sindh board are very lucky because they are having lots of seats. Major seats are for the regular one. So I am moving towards what this is regarding the professors and QEC and all that. This is the prospectus. So I don't think so. It is, these are some pictures of the NED University. Departmental pictures are here, and they're okay. One more thing I want to tell you, you can also see the courses as well according to as per the department. For example, you must have this course prospectus. If you don't have, so what you have to do, you just go on the NED website and you can see. So admission categories, regular schemes. If I will increase its size, so it will be regular scheme, self-finance scheme, mode of admission, examination, each and everything is given over here. So I am moving towards the next. So let me see. What is this? Let me show you one thing is what. So you can see this is the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Petroleum Engineering. And what are these things? Department, Faculty of Information. Okay, one more thing you can see over here is that Faculty of Civil and Petroleum Engineering. So faculty of these department comes under the same. So I don't think it is concerned for you. Okay, now you can see the faculty qualification from here. And if I will do, it's 150%. So you can see this is the civil engineering department. So you can see the qualification of the teachers of the civil engineering department here. So, and the next you can see what? Department of Urban and Infrastructure Engineering, and this is Department of Petroleum Engineering. You can see the faculty. So you can check it out how they are very well educated, what are their qualification. So you it will be easier for you to decide. So let me see what is going on. So this is all about the teachers. Now you can see here, how can you do that? These are the names of the teachers here. And then what you are going to do is this is the prospectus. Now this Department of Textile Engineering, you can see the names of the faculty and their qualification. So in that way, you can see the teacher, faculty and their qualification from this prospectus as department wise. And if I am moving towards the next slide, next page, let me see where are the courses. Now, Bachelor's of Engineering program, Civil Engineering. So what are the courses included in this? So now you can see per semesters, how many courses are there, which courses are there, which course is relevant for you. So you can decide it. So now you can see now civil engineer specialization in urban, and this is which department? Petroleum engineering. You can see over here. So you can check it out, what are the courses in each department. So it will be easier for you to decide the department. So I am moving towards the next thing is what? Mode of application for admission. So what are they saying? You can find it out as well from here. It's uploading, it's loading. And now mode of application for admission, everything is written over here. How can you do that for foreign marks or for Hafiz Quran, rejection of application on which basis, display of merit list. You will get the merit list as well after that, just after the test. So video for the demonstration of computer, video guideline for photographs. They have provided you each and everything on their website. Information for international students as well, admissions of foreign and dual nationality holders, Pakistani students under self-finance scheme, admissions of international students through Economics Affairs Division. Each and everything is available on this website. So there is no need to be worried that you have to ask something to anyone. Each and everything is available over here. That even the courses you can see for each department, you will find it out, mode of admission, each and everything in this prospectus is given. Fees structure is available to here for BS, CS, BR 37,000. In all remaining BS program 30,500. We paid once at the time of admissions for locals, and semester tuition fees, that is 23,000 for all program. BS programs, that is 30,000. So if you are doing B, so the cost of the B is lesser as compared to the cost of the BS. So you can find each and everything on the website of NED University, even its location map. So there is no problem to search it out. I don't think so you will find any difficulty in getting details of this. Apply online for a prospectus for undergraduate. Details of categories for admissions. Chapter 5. So admission category. So it is also important. You must see here how many number of seats are available here. So let me check it out. Let me show you. If I am going to talk you about R1A category, so it is HSC, Pre-Engineering Computer Science from Board of, or Computer Science from Board of Intermediate Education. So you can see the highest numbers of seats it has. This one are regular scheme category, this one R1A. So you can find it out, this one. So let me show you wait, let me tell you one thing, how I am going to this one. So you can see the admission category here, 130%. Now you can see how many seats for the R1A category. It's a regular seat. So Computer Engineering Department is having 103 seats. Computer Engineering. No, it's not Computer Engineering because CE is for Civil Engineering Department. Civil Engineering in specialization in Urban and Infrastructure Engineering. That is Petroleum Engineering. C Construction. It is Civil Engineering degree with a specialization in Construction, Mechanical Engineering, Textile Engineering, Industrial Manufacturing, and the number of seats you can see for the R1A category. And then I am moving towards the Akhan Board, HSC Commerce. No, HSC Engineering from Akhan Board. So you can see this is the category R3B. So there are only 2 seats in the Civil Engineering Department, 2 seats in the Civil Engineering specialization with Urban Engineering. And then there are no seats in the Petroleum Department, no seats in Civil Engineering Construction. Mechanical Department is having 5 seats for the students of Akhan Board. Then 1 seat for the Textile Engineering. Then IM is having 3 seats. So you have to check it out. Total out of 54 seats for the Akhan Board, those students who are doing their intermediate from pre-engineering from Akhan Board. So they are having only 54 seats total in the NED University. So how many seats for the OA level students, 12th grade and equivalent to commerce, A level pre-medical, A level commerce, A level arts. So A level pre-medical, okay, pre-medical seats is obviously only in the biomedical and food and sciences, food engineering. So how many and what are the other? Is that from Board of Intermediate Education Hyderabad. Hyderabad is having 32 seats. For Mirpur Khas, 38 seats. So, real son and daughter of NID University non-teaching staffs total 30 seats. Real son daughter of NID University teachers for 31 seats. Then how many seats for other outstanding sportsmen? They are having 4 seats in NID University. So you can find it out like key abbreviations for the C, civil engineering. I already told you. IM, industrial manufacturing, T, textile, mechanical department, computer systems and information. And in NID University, it is named as CS, computer in systems engineering. And it electronics engineering, it named its abbreviation is EL. So computer science at least it is written over here how many seats are, and you can see how many total seats for the civil engineering department. So you can see the total here 144 total from each and every category. Applications for admission in biology should have interest in natural basis as they will be studying biology and physiology. Application for admission in architecture program. Keep it in mind, biomedical engineering and BArch, Bachelors of Architecture, both are having 5 years programs, not 4 year programs. Biomedical is 5 years program, and BArch is also 5 years program. So keep it in mind which department you have to select it on what basis, what is your criteria, which field interests you. But keep it in mind, you have to search it out, the job market of that field as well, whether it is having it has having demand in the market, job market or not. Computer systems engineering is having the positive advantage of that programming is very well known and it is very is in demand. So you can also go with the computer engineering, but if you are not getting that, there are other departments as well you can do well over there. You will also get the chances of the job, but keep it in mind that whatever the field you selected, you have to check it out the its job market. And the other thing is that whether it is accredited with the Pakistan Engineering Council or not with that, because you are very much aware of that all the engineering departments should be accredited with the Pakistan Engineering Council. So this is all about how can you search it out, the admissions, and how can you search it out, the departments and their seats. And if you are applying for the regular basis, so must submit the fees for the self finance as well. But keep it in mind, if you will withdraw, if you will not take your self finance seat, so what will happen? NED University is the university which refund you that amount. So completely refund. They will not cut out the single amount. So you there are different seating criteria over there. So you can check it out. Each and everything, distribution of seats, each and everything is mentioned in the prospectus. And you can see the category R1A candidates having passing intermediate with pre-engineering and computer science. R1B from pre-medical, part 1 and part 2. If you are you have done your intermediate with the pre-medical, so you have the choice to take engineering as well, but because you can go for the biomedical engineering, food engineering, there are lots of fields you can do that. So this is all about how can you apply and how can you find it out your relevant field, how can you take the test, and how can you search it out on the website of the NED University regarding the prospectus, cost of per semester, fees per semester, you can say, and what is the self-finance fee seat. If self-finance fee seat is that which you purchase it yourself, the seat you purchase, and then you have to give per year fees as well. But the you have the choice that you can submit the fees for the regular scheme plus as well as for the self-finance scheme as well. And there is another seat is that is the overseas seat. So you can also apply for that. So these are the things you can check it out, which category, which board are you from. Some students are nowadays doing their education from Zauddin board, so they are also having R3A category. So A level is also having the category over here. 12th grade and equivalent pre-engineering, pre-medical, computer science, computer A level, pre-engineering. So this is the O levels, OA levels students are here. So you are having C category R4A, and there are 120 seats total in the university in all the departments. So hopefully this video will guide you regarding the queries which I am looking on the Facebook that you are worried. So if you have more queries, just write it down in the comment box, comment section of my YouTube videos. So I will make the video regarding that. I will guide you as well. I will provide you the guideline regarding that. So it will be helpful for you guys. I will come with the admissions process of the PhD as well, masters as well, in the NED University in the next video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Nahid Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.